Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect two external monitors to your Microsoft Surface Studio Laptop 2. So first and foremost, both of your external monitors have to be separately powered, so make sure to insert their power cords into your power outlet, and after that check the USB-C ports on the left side of your laptop. Now, of course, we cannot use them directly, therefore we're gonna need to connect either an adapter from a USB-C to HDMI or USB-C to DisplayPort. In my case, I'm gonna be using a hub like this to display how you can do it. Just insert your hub into one of the USB-C ports. Both of them are Thunderbolt ports, Thunderbolt 4, and support external display connection. After you connected your hub, you have to insert your cable, either DisplayPort or HDMI, into your hub, and the other side of the cable goes into an external monitor. And after that, you should be able to see something on your external monitor, unless you also have the source selection button on it. And to change the projection type, you can use the shortcut of Windows P, which lets you decide what you want to project on each of the external monitors. And for more display settings, you have to go to Start menu, Settings, and System, and then Display. And here you can rearrange your monitors at the very top, and at the bottom change the rest of the settings. And this way align all three monitors, including your built-in one, into one big monitor, or maybe just duplicate the display of your original monitor to your external ones. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.